Hey, you know what, man? I swear to God, there's something apparently wrong with me because, man, I get excited. It, it's magic to me, man. This is a pretty rough handheld gutter level video, but you know what I'm talking about? I don't know if the phone will focus. My eyes sure won't. They're getting old. uh, so it is. Let me see what time it is here. You can see how well prepared I am when I It is 11:09 p.m. Okay, and I just worked November 0 Alpha X-ray and November 0 India Sierra and 6 meters on CW, and man, they're gone now. I wish I wasn't ready to record anything. I was trying to work these guys. Well, I shouldn't say trying. These guys now. Look at my noise level. And that's with 2 levels of amplification turned on. But of course, that's at the end of 75 feet of RG213, right? And with not a very good antenna for 6 meters. Now, this will be the only time I say the Michigan cacti is lacking in anything. Uh, and it does fine. It's excellent on 6 meters. It's the best on 6 meters for working other verticals. Look at the opening, man. Right now, currently on 6 meters. See, I'm in Michigan. I'm in the middle of your screen. Uh, look at the crossfire, man. Jesus, I'm stuck in the middle of some serious skirmish there, man. But yeah, I managed to work those guys. One in Kentucky. Hang on. Okay, this is a map of some states I worked in an old contest, right? But I worked Missouri and Kentucky just now, and that's with a vertical antenna that's ground mounted, for Christ's sake. You know? Uh, it is what it is. It tosses off a nice low angle of radiation, but it's vertically polarized. And dang, man, these folks are running, they're running MONSTER Yagis. Uh, you ready for something? You want to learn the very crudest of basics in hemodialysis? Do you know what volumetrically closed means? You have to learn to think a little differently to understand the system, but we're going to talk about it. In the interest of getting some dislikes. Hang on. Hey, phone. I said, hang on. You know where I'm at, man. You know what, man? Thank you, Michigan cacti. I decided to come out and get bit by mosquitoes. Hang on. Now we're here at the site. Follow the dot. Like your cat when you've got a laser pointer in your hand. Follow the dot. The next video you see, boy, it's dark out here and I've got my light on. The next video you see will be the installed 80 meter end-fed half-wave desperation chaos mode antenna. And we'll work some DX. 73.